Welcome back, YouTube. We got another product review here. This time we got our package from Touch Modern. As it does say in the website, as you purchase your item, it does say it will take 3 to 6 weeks for delivery. Oddly enough, it took 22 days, 3 weeks and 1 day to get here. Which in today's order it overnight from Amazon or order it overnight from eBay, this is ridiculous. But, okay, cool products. Let's see what kind of cool products we got here. We have a Magpie V8, V80, VH-80, sorry. The world's first bilateral laser distance measurer. Comes in a nice little box. Some information on the back. Made in South Korea. Bilateral or single. You can measure, easily switch to a single laser measurement setting. Measure from the base to the front. Measure 3 values at once. The advantage of using VH-80 exponentially increases by reducing the number of moves by a factor of 3. And you can also connect it with your smartphone via an app. We're not going to do that right now. Today we're just going to look at the product, open it up, see what's inside. So with no further delay, let's open it up, see what's inside. Alright. We have our Magpie tool holder, and it comes with a battery. Nylon with some softer material inside, a little stretchy, so your tool fits snugly in there. Velcro seems pretty good, and we got a little leash so we can attach it somewhere. Oh, and it's also got a buckle for a belt. I don't have a belt, but if I had one, I could put it on my belt. So, some accessories it comes with. Alright. Magpie. Okay. User manual. We might look at that, we might not. And here's our tool. It's our bilateral measurer. Put in a nice hard foam case. It shouldn't go anywhere during shipping. It should be nice. Peel the protective layer off the screen. So on the front interface, it appears we got an LCD. We have our on switch, maybe more functions. We got memory. We got menu and units. We have off and clear, and we have 2 bubble levels over here, I guess. One for plumb and one for level. At this end, there's some sort of metal thing in there. I don't know what that is. Maybe nothing to do with anything. I don't know. And it looks like our laser and an eye. And same thing at this end. Another laser and another eye. On top we have nothing. Bottom. In the back here, ooh, we can mount it on a tripod. A little screw hole there. So we can just put it on a tripod and let it stand there and do its own thing. I don't have to hold it. Today I'm holding it. And it takes one AAA battery. No, it takes 2. Good thing our package came with 2 AA batteries, AAA batteries. So, negative down, negative down. Cover back on it. Let's power it on. There we go. Ready. Ooh. We got laser dots already poking out of it. One at each end of the room. Look over there. We got another red dot. Okay. So we're already starting to maybe measure something. I don't want to measure that much. So I'm gonna see if I can measure in between my studs here. This is ready. Between that wall and here, we gotta push the button again. It is 1.06 meters. I need feet, so I'm gonna go with feet. Push the unit measurement. Menu, unit. I'm just gonna press until that hopefully changes. Oh, look, it's doing different functions. Wow. It does a lot of different things. That is not changing my unit. Clear. Unit. Up. No. Clear. Unit. No. Maybe I should read the instructions. Let's hold on for a bit and I'll read the instructions and figure out actually how to measure in feet. Okay. I did go through the manual. I could change it to feet. So now I'm measuring a straight line from feet in inches. And up here, depending on where your pointer is, it'll tell you how far this side is and how far this side is, as well as the overall distance. So we're going to quick measure a line. I'm just going to throw up an edge. Push to righty. Push it again. And as you can see, my measurement is 1 foot 7 inches on each side, and 3 foot 3 inches and 3/8 overall distance. So now I can measure and cut my piece of drywall that needs to go here. And I know that my center stud is 1 foot 7 inch from either side. It does have in here, it'll do an area measurement. It does volume. Does right triangle area, and then Pythagorean, wow, I can't say that right now. Pythagorean theorem mode. So it does different, it'll figure out your triangles. It'll figure out, how big your room is, or how much volume is in your room. Most of what I'll probably be doing is just line-to-line distance. The single laser continuous measurement. Probably that mode is what I'll be using most. So it does do a whole bunch of other stuff. So once again, I'm going to put it in this window gap here so I can measure my piece of trim. Push my button, hit my lasers. My trim piece needs to be 2 foot 9 inches. And I'll redo it for up and down. Keep it, use the bubble level that I got in here. And my overall distance is 4 foot 6 inches, and oh man, half an inch. We'll round that up. So it is a pretty nice little device. It's got a little screen on it. And it has a backlight feature, so you can read it even in the dark. Seems to go in power save mode right away. It's not a bad thing. You don't want to be replacing your batteries all the time. It is a plastic case, rubber ends on it. Should be pretty good, you know. Pass the bounce test. Not gonna break anything if it lands. Shouldn't jar it too much if it falls. Seems pretty rugged. Well thought out design. However, it's got a retail value on the website of $199. After purchasing the device, backtrack, decided, you know, oh, let's check it elsewhere, see what a similar made device is, and they're 30 to 40 bucks you can get them for. But maybe this is worth the extra money because it is pretty rigid. It's got the extra bubble levels in here. It does multiple features. It also hooks up to your Bluetooth phone to keep, I believe the app said it keeps up to 9 of your last measurements in store. So that's handy when you come out here, you measure your window and go, okay, I need this trim. I got to store it on my Android phone. Now I'm going to go up to the hardware store, get my materials. Oh, what size do you need? Oh, it's right here on my phone because my Magpie told me it was there. So, it's pretty nice. So for 200 bucks, I say it's good. However, Touch Modern themselves, they could definitely improve because nobody wants to wait 3 weeks for anything this day and age. If they did, we'd all write hand letters to people and send it across the country. But no, we email people so we can get stuff now. So 3 weeks wait, ridiculous. Quality of the product seems to be pretty good. Goes in power save mode. Oh, it's off. You don't have to worry about turning it off. So I am pretty pleased with this. I'll give it just 1 thumb up. It's not really worth 2, but for the price, it's worth at least 1 because it is pretty durable. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. We'll leave. I'll put a couple descriptions in of the product in my description down below. Thanks.